27 we cover Dwazak, New England, and Smilaton. Mrs. Elizabeth Kindness, welcome to Tolombo Live.
Welcome, sir.
Mrs. Elizabeth, I know say people are not surprised because the people where they out here na the diaspora, the kind way them be they hesitate say Sierra Leone people when election come, then go make confusion, then go fight, and una don't vote peacefully, and so then so surprised. And now, Mrs. Elizabeth, I be just want to let you give people updates about how the election happened, how una do am peacefully, and up till now una sit down peaceful, they wait for results, ma.
Okay, sir. Well, 1:20 so before because first of all, thank God na him do am. Because how kind change with this election we get. We thank God because God make it possible. So we go vote peacefully without no problem, no alarm. So just want to tell you thank you for that big thing that we got before us.
Okay. Yeah, Mrs. Elizabeth. Yes, Mrs. Elizabeth. Now for come up loud, small for we, ma.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. No, go ahead, ma. Yeah.
I say we want to tell God thank you for what you do for me, because the kind things for this thing we get, God make it on campus. Full we don't do without one alala one road. Don't go the election on pass full. So just want to thank God and appreciate God for what you do for me.
Okay. Yeah, Mrs. Elizabeth, I know say you didn't at the center like today people waiting at the diaspora when they announced the first 25% of the election. I see people run go and that area there. I know say now you cover that area where they go around there, Abacha Street, PZ, and waiting cause people for go there and waiting to be the outcome.
Well, the outcome where they don't call it 25%, a group of people in common from party office, SMPV party office, for camp. For when they can reach that PZ, the one chair Kamura in Bana. So the chair will the one chair and the thing take place now. The man that we did is not less out. Begin make confusion now for people and begin the cat market so that they do this. And right, they are the first enter inside Abacha. And that's all it takes place. And we Abacha, we are peaceful person. We don't let any drug business. For this thing, we are habit so them people in any way as it's not abnormal. Then the crowd for kind of Abacha. And for say we are enemy for them. This is not a problem. So we not enemy for them. We are waiting, we know say the kind peace, the kind some of we the whole 1,000 after God. Now this empire, deputy president, Siliku Ola. Not of us that everybody will go put here, but that color, that blue in the keep now we may go that on up pray. We go get that batch of shift back. The only thing that the good BN for them we will be with carry pass. More than the car. We made a mistake. So I'm going to thank you for this shift back. Because that back the way this so anybody who will pass me, it can be focused on and my right. We not allow abiding of we can't see the old and get right to old because I don't cross. And now we say because they allow we now say low and for can block the road. So that side they cancel that the guy. But for any way abnormal, they don't move. You see them then they come on for kind times Abacha. They are not waiting to keep on can be for saying a bad people. And that's not the way to place today.
Okay, me fambulem, this na Mrs. Elizabeth Kainensi na the chair lady for Abacha Street Market Women. And Mrs. Elizabeth don't state not to the first thing this they happen. Then them peaceful, until we see the mama then peaceful na Abacha Street. If then they sell, if una go pull una go son side, una run son side. Why una for come get, because when they come now for make una run and let them can get una property then thief una money. So why that all why that for the B? Well, ain't all right, that not for B. And also Mrs. Kindness, when they happen today, now they see na the social media, then they post picture and say APC then don't kill SLPP then posting and police will be happen today. How true is that, man? Yeah.
Last Friday in a line, not to under them kill me. And they have just in a picture we don't see now that country. And they just say no more legally post and this not to under and not kill nobody there.
So today nobody not die?
Nobody not kill that Friday.
Well, me people let una see we whether na the diaspora we quick for be full with pictures the way people and they send. As this thing happen in Abacha Street, SLPP then don't begin send picture and say na APC then kill them member them. Well, this na somebody where they live when na the chair lady for Abacha Street Market Women, where if anybody bucking foot na Abacha Street safe way na members of your organization, if that alarm ego no. So una way be get away they shape them out till they say na so then kill una left salon people they una low left we country. I mean, from when all these political things they go na the country, the opposition people them, I don't ever see una post anything positive where APC don't do na that country day. Always to una they look for na negative. Even person where say na religious person when he see vision, na bad vision they see for Sierra Leone. So me, as a matter of fact, people the way they think about that thing about Sierra Leone, I can say back to sender. Then thing and they and not to for we. Let it go back to sender people who they mean bad for the country. So also yeah, Mrs. Elizabeth, what do you get for talk? Because I know say APC na Kombra party, we accommodative. And for now, I know say you na chair lady, you na person way the head organization. How would they cope with the one the way at least they na the losing side when na NGC and the other party them. You know if you say for encourage them back, we all not same, we all not Sierra Leone and them are?
Yes, we encourage them. Now brother there, now sister there, now papa there, now mama there. No need not be belong to me there. We all know how we encourage them and let them take us. Now so all the same, they subscribe because na me party. That's right. Well, now so you know we be now one to we encourage them. And we shall be talk to young people becoming now peaceful people there. They don't talk to everybody, even that first one after the election. The other day, we met even as them drink on monitor and not the people we call people and talk. Then nobody know that not glad until how far we say call before we go bloody. So that's why we know but we not would make it snap success. Not to say not to the success. Because we have business people. We know where to go there. Therefore, we know so we are son of we are the man, but we are everything. So we also know reason why we go to the challenge it. So no, we go to open the for many educate to pick there.
Okay, me fambulem asuna doyeri Mrs. Elizabeth wetin don say. Mrs. Elizabeth, so waiting since we patiently they wait for let we get the final result, like we say from the Chief Electoral Commissioner when Afali waiting because I see SLPP then they dance say don't win, but still yet APC when the ruling party maintain then keep quiet. All the Abacha way at least then Sabi enjoy, so all man keep quiet. So waiting at the last word where you go continue for tell you member them until we get the final results. What you go and say to them, ma?
Still talk to them, let everybody stay calm, and nobody no make no alala until Ofa Ali call the final results. Now you make me glad. Let me not just don't not provoke any glad will go glad not to provoke anyone. We will glad if we say not to glad we will make the other person go vex. You know that's not still talk to me, let we all stay calm. We will go do business, we will do a circle, elect somebody need to push you, yeah, we will let it pass. It is a thing at the end of me, another problem that to say when somebody they lose, they set all kind for making the so you go join now in class now on the field. That's me advice everybody see let stay calm until finally the final results.
Okay,
Bifambulem. Talk to the people.
Yes, Bifambulem, as soon as they listen, this na Mrs. Elizabeth Kindness, as soon as doyeri Abacha people na business people all man they go fend in daily bread. People they go fend money when they get for take care of them picking and they get for pay for them school, they get for feed them. So and any side way somebody they fend in living and no one any side way Allah the way to go day. So this Mrs. Elizabeth don't spell them out right to all the market women them, the APC supporter them, even though you know they're not Abacha street, but any side where you day, let everybody stay calm until they get the final results from Omfali. So me people when they watch this program, this na Tolongbo Live when na APC Global Network TV, and today me producer na Amjad Jalo Miba, Mina Abdullah Mansare, and we just talk with Mrs. Elizabeth Kindness. Mrs. Elizabeth Kindness na the chair lady for the Abacha Women, the Abacha Street Women Association, and also na the deputy chair lady for constituency 127, where comprised of Dwazak, New England, and Smilerton. Thank you very much, Mrs. Elizabeth Kindness.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, me people, and for view once more again. This is Sierra Cast TV with Tolongbo Live, when a global APC Network TV. Thank you, and thank you for viewing. We're going to get on to back until we get the final result from Omfali Way, now the Chief Electoral Commission for NEC. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You have